Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove emoji from our photo using AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, cleanup.pictures. You just need to type in cleanup pictures and this website will appear, and I recommend you to use this website to remove emoji from your photo. Okay, let's visit this website and we're going to upload our photo here. I'm going to click here to upload my photo. Okay, I'm going to go to my downloads folder and I'm going to search photo with emoji. Okay, this one guys, and we can click on open. And I'm just going to select this one because I'm not a premium user. And here we can select the emoji we want to remove from our photo, like this, and then click on this symbol. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the emoji has been removed from my photo, and if you want to download the photo you just need to click on download. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove emoji from our photo using AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.